Joshy's Blippi, yay!
Hi, Joshy and Faith, my Blippi dress kids. How are you guys today?
Good.
Yeah, Mater and I are here, and Mater, Faith, the Blippi dress girl, has this amazing power that she can turn me into a monster truck. Faith, can you show Mater how you turned me into a monster truck, please?
Yes. Wow, that's a cool monster truck.
Thank you, Faith. That is so cool. But you know what would be cooler? Do you know what would be cooler? Mater never gets to go run on tracks with me, especially these muddy, hilly tracks that you need the monster truck on. Today, I want Mater to have fun with me. Blippi Fee, can you do one more time for me, please?
Okay. What? Wow, Mater turned into a cool monster truck.
This is the coolest thing in the whole wide world. McQueen, I look even bigger than you again. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Faith, thank you so much. Joshua, thank you for helping your sister make me into a monster truck, okay? Are you guys ready? Blippi boy and Blippi girl. Blippi dress kids. Are you guys ready to watch me and McQueen have fun? You ready? Mater, I'm gonna let you run it first this time because this is your first time getting to be a monster truck. So I want you to have the most fun, okay? But be careful, buddy, my BFF. Just so you know, it's not as easy as it may look, okay, Mater? Okay, McQueen, I'm gonna give this a ride, okay? This might be the ride of my life, my BFF. Faith and Josh, watch this, okay?
I can't watch.
Easy peasy, as Faith would say.
Whoa, that's so cool, Mater.
I'm a little stuck right here.
You can make it, Mater.
Come on, Mater, I know you can make it, buddy. Give it one more rev.
Oh, I got it,
I'm gonna fall into the muddy pool now and take a mud bath. Okay, McQueen, I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you, McQueen. Joshua, can you run me through the tracks? Oh.
That's so cool. No!
And McQueen joined Mater. Hey, did you want to try running Mater through the tracks?
Why did it go?
Come on, it's okay. It's okay. Come on, guys. Let's give Faith a chance to run them through the tracks. Oh, look at the tracks that I made, McQueen. This is so amazing. Okay, Faith.
I'll not choose.
Okay, which one do you want to choose?
That one.
You want to ride McQueen again? Then Joshy gets to be Mater, okay?
Okay.
You go behind her, Joshy. Okay.
Whoa, this is so cool.
Run around in the fun mud, guys.
This is fun, Mater. Let's go back. Mommy,
And you guys try riding backwards, Josh. Oh, you gotta wait for McQueen. You're gonna run into him and crash. Go backward, Faith. Oh, McQueen riding backwards. So cool, McQueen. This is the best friend fun ever, guys. I think they're gonna be able to spend all day here playing.
Hey, I'm Mater. Victory. Oh, it's so clean. I can't go up. I need some help. I need some help. Help! Thanks, my best friend. I need to go. I don't want this. There I go.
Joshy, you're blocking your sister.
Oh. I got something so I can pull McQueen up. The singer they need for McQueen. And let's go. I can't go up here.
I know there's
Oh, I can go up here. There's some mud on the tree.